everyone, and welcome. I'm going to show you today how to make this pair of earrings. I figure I'll do theme week every week, and this week will be earrings. So this kind of reminds me of Victorian style. I love the Victorian era. So with these antique bead caps, it kind of reminds me of Victorian, and plus with the colors. And then I splashed on the color purple. And so I'm going to show you how to make this earring. Of course, you can change out whichever beads you want or bead caps, but I figure this is a good start. So I have my handmade tassel. I made this myself, which I did do a previous video on, so make sure you check that out if you want to make your own tassels. And of course, you can make them longer or shorter. You can use a cap on top of this. I've made earrings where I just put an eye pin in here and then I put a bead cap on top of it, but of course it's not going to work out that way with this one. So you can change it up and do whatever you want with this, but this is just an example. So I have my bead caps here. I have my eye pin, my sterling silver French wire earring, and then because it's a French wire, I also have a rubber bead stopper there, and my beads. And the tools I'm going to be using is my one-step looper. Okay, this is a 1.5 millimeter loop. I'm also going to use my flat nose pliers here, and then if you don't have the one-step looper, you can always use a round nose plier to make your loop. But I have my one-step looper, so I'll show you how to make that. And I do have videos on how to make your own eye pin with the round nose plier. But I have my one-step looper, which is super simple to use. Okay, so let's get started. What you want to do is put your smaller bead on first. Okay, like so. And then you'll put your bead cap on. And then I'm using a bicone because I like that little bit of color in between. I think it's really cool. You can also make an earring like that. Maybe that'll be in the next video. I don't know. And then put your next bead cap on, and then your last bead. Okay, and that's pretty much it for that one. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure these are all nice and snug, and my one-step looper. Okay, I'm just gonna put it underneath this post here. Right, because this is the cutter. This is where it cuts right here. Okay, so there's a hole back there. I'm going to make sure, again, everything is snug up against each other, like so. And I'm just going to close my plier. Okay. And then there's your loop. There it is. Now I am going to use, because you see how it's open a little bit there? It's kind of hard to see. But so I am going to use my round nose pliers and just close it up. All right. So now I'm going to put on my tassel. I already have my jump ring on there. So to open and close the jump ring, you close it the same way you open it. You're going to find your opening, which is right there. See that? So you use your pliers here, and then on the other side as well, and you're going to twist. You're going to twist it open on your earring, and you're going to twist it close. and then make sure it's nice and tight. You feel them rubbing against each other. All right, so that's done. Now I'm gonna put my loop on. I'm sorry, my earring post on. I already opened it just to make the video quicker because of time. So I'm just gonna, I think I need to open it more. All right, slide it on, same thing. Put your pliers on either side of the opening. Oops, this one has the ball right there, the decorative ball, so it might take a little finagling. Okay. All right, and then you twist it shut, same way. Done. All right, and I'm gonna put my bead stopper on, just so it's there, so when I wear them, I can put them back on. All right, so there you have it. Easy peasy. And of course, I'm gonna oil it. Today I'm gonna put Stress Away on my tassels. Okay, shake it up. Sorry, that might be a little dizzy. All right, and then all you need is just a drop. Drop there, and it will dry. Those drops will dry, but you can wear them all day and feel the benefits of the Stress Away essential oil. So if you have any questions or you want to leave a comment, go ahead and do so. You can also email me anytime you want, 24/7. And I look forward to hearing your comments or any questions you have. So I will see you next time. Bye-bye.